Isha Upadhyay. I belong to Gonda district, and today I am sitting here just to give my points that a girl serves her parents better. There is lots of examples that a girl serves our parents better, because we have seen that from ancient time boys are not that much able to hold a house in the like cooking and serving a house like for household works. But if you talk about a girl, they are from a childhood they are such enough to handle these type of work. Even if we take example still of our rural areas or village types of areas, there a girl who is just of 7 to 8 age holds a whole house, where boys go outside of home and handles outside works. So basically girls are the one. Even girls, if we talk about emotion, so in ethics it is written that a girl having 1.3 ratio, that a girl have more ratio of emotions for her parents. It is commonly says in our society that girls have more emotional feelings, so because of that she can serve her parents better.
And as you talk about ancient time, a girl is taking care of their parents more than boys. So, ma'am, as you know, in ancient time, boys are just looking for earning. They are earning to run their house. So, if they don't earn, then how lady can take care of their parents? How? If
Sir,
they don't earn.
Okay, sir. Sir, I'm just replying to your point. You said that and in ancient time boys earned money. That's why house was getting running. So this is a point in favor of girls. Even now a girl is earning too, and besides of earning, she is also holding a home house. For example, now each and every woman
Excuse me,
wants.
ma'am, I have counted you on the point of ancient time.
Okay, so
Yes.
if you counted me on ancient time, I also added that in ancient time. But now I am giving a example of ancient time and current time too. Current time too. Do you know about a woman? In history, it is written that at that time women go outside of their home for just finding a foods, for finding a foods, for finding a woods, for finding stones for their household things. Boys was not able to do these all things. So both, even at that time, the society was not that much socialized that they have lots of fields for earning money.
But one thing is that for the ancient time we have a great example about the Shravan Kumar, and the Shravan Kumar is the biggest example about the serving about their parents. And if we will think about the boys and the girls, so I think that boys are do better. They do better. They serve better their parents more than girls, because after the 15-year-old they have to go for the earning money. For why? Because not only for the parents, for the complete family. So this is not a little responsibility for a boys. So the girls only take care, but boys take the whole responsibility of the complete family. So it's not an easy task. It's a very tough task.
And ma'am, I also mention one point. If you talk about current scenario of Indian culture, so mostly 70 to 80% boys do the job and girls are living in a home. Today, whatever happening in the current scenario, so how you can say that girls are cooking and are the things? If boys are not go outside, they not earn the money. So how you can make the food and all the things? So how you can also, if parents have some ill things like he is ill and mother is also in ill position, so how you can manage all the things? Because if you have no earning another in sources of earning, so how you can manage the home?
Sir, as you said that boys goes outside for earning a money and then only house does. If we talk about current scenario,
Yeah.
so nowadays even I am talking about India, which is a developing country as compared to Australia, America, and foreign countries. It is developing, but in current situation, it is not what ratio you have given me, 70 to 8%, is not correct. Now our country is developing and women are getting their interest in jobs. Even she are giving efforts in doing job. They are earning too. For no matter that they are earning at a short level or long level or higher level, they are earning. They are also helping their family too. And besides of helping their family, they are earning and holding a whole house. Even we have the example of such a person in our group. Our ma'am, she is absent today. I don't know her name, but she is a teacher. And as she told me, she is a teacher. She is earning money, and on the money which she is earning, because of that money, her house is running. Because her brother is not earning that much, so she is holding a whole house.
So, ma'am, first of all, you say that my whatever I say wrong. This is because I think you are not studying our Indian society, because in our Indians 80%, 60 to 70% people live in village, and if you compare the village and district level, so like in women's like 60 to 70% women live in village. So if you talk about one village, so mostly 1 to 2 village women workers work in outside. But if you talk about whole women's in the village, so how many women are work? So that's why I give the percentage like 70 to 80%, because only 10 to 20% who's like big city women's like Delhi and others, they are working in that position. So that's why you don't say that I am saying the wrong thing. So first of all, you study the current scenario of our society, then you say that this thing is wrong.
That woman serving our parents, so that's why they don't doing any job. And
Most of the girls are self-dependent in urban areas. I hope you know that India is also known as the country of villages, and here are lots of villages more than cities. And in villages, girls or women are not self-dependent. They are dependent on their husband, and their husband are go outside and earn money. That's why the house is running, and they can take care of their parents.
I also had some question ask you, ma'am, and all the guys, not ma'am. So my question is that if some emergency come, like any father who is very ill and they have got a heart attack, and if they require to move in a ambulance, or if ambulance is not come, so boys are able to put their fathers and make that position to move the ambulance. So how girls help that the things here, and if like in a night 12 o'clock or other things happen, so boy moves that side, boy moves that side. There is never I look that girls move that side, and girls put their parents and move the in a ambulance and other things. I ask you
physically
Sir,
and mentally,
Sir.
socially strong.
Yeah, I asked the question.
I would like to oppose my friend. We are living in a patriarchal society, and mostly we do the parental things by the women actually. And you were talking about the self-satisfaction. In foreign countries, basically they have 74% in working organization. If I talk about India personally, then only 7% people are working as in a women. And here the not matter of earning, here the matter of serving actually. Basically the parental activity is done by mostly women, not the men. And first I would like to take the example any individual family. Most of the time if you compare any 8th class boys or 8th class girls, then basically 8th class girls is able to cook, able to finance all the things, because after mother the take care of all the family members is only that child. And I have seen the same person like who is boys actually, they are going outside and they are also doing some other activities, curriculum activities. Once they come back to home, then they are saying to their parents that I'm very tired, I'm not going to serve anymore, just give me coffee and other things, and after that I'm going to do my study and other things. But at the same moment for the girls is actually they have very limited liabilities. Like parents is actually supposed to do that, girls are only meant for the merit purpose, not for the earning purpose. But nowadays India is changing actually. India is also developing. Nowadays you can see in urban areas as well as in village areas, there are many entrepreneurs who are coming. And even home also, the saving account, the saving word is actually comes from mother side, and that is also the culture which is learned by the paternal activity. That is actually the child who is actually girl.
But my friends, you don't give me the answer of whatever I asked the question, and that guys also mentioned that only 7% were women's working outside. So kindly say that.
Sir, he is not talking about the earning a money. He is talking
Ma'am.
about serving a house.
But
A girl can also serve a house by doing a work outside. She can handle a both. She can.
Okay.
I'm just giving an example. A boy who is earning outside can hold a house also.
But ma'am, how without earning, how you can serve?
So girl can earn and hold also a
But ma'am,
house.
7%, ma'am.
Because
if you talk
at
about
present
scenario-
She is spending most of the time outside in earning money. Then how can
So,
she?
ma'am,
So
take
sir,
care of
how
the
if
parents?
a boy is earning outside and how he will handle a house too?
Let me answer to
You
Ma'am.
are just giving your point that
Ma'am,
you are
ma'am.
providing a money,
Ma'am,
but
I-
indirectly girl is going to handle a
Ma'am.
house.
Taking care is taking
Ma'am,
care.
I give the money as some maid and they come and they
Ma'am.
want
So
to
basically you are providing a money to maid, and definitely she is a woman.
She is not a woman, ma'am.
No,
How you
no,
can say
sir,
she is a
no,
woman?
sir. If you are not
how you
giving,
can say she is a woman?
listen, I'm just giving a one point. If you will pay the servant, and I am agreeing that he will come. So basically, you are not serving your parents. You are appointing someone else for doing a work.
Serving your parents is not just about to that you are making coffee, making tea. You can also serve your parents by earning money.
Ma'am, you
Suppose that
So if only money can give that on happiness.
One second. Only earning money. I'm not saying that only money can give this. But when we got time, we take care personally to our parents.
Ma'am, again I
So
ask you.
girls can handle
One thing is
same
that-
too.
one thing is
Girls
that-
can handle same too.
Suppose that you are alone in your family and you have not earned the money. How to serve your parents if
I will learn.
they are in?
So this can be same to a guy also. He cannot earn money. So how a family can run?
Then what is the difference? What is the
Here you are comparing a girl and boy. It is not a topic here.
Boys are earn money. They also take a service.
So what is the difference, ma'am?
Okay, let me
What's the difference? What you are saying that
Ma'am, firstly, whatever I ask the question, you give the
Okay,
answer.
let me answer your question. You know, serving the parents is different thing. Earning for the parents.
Okay,
Okay, let me answer you. You know, if I talk about foreign countries, let's take example.
Why are you talking
Russia.
about foreign countries?
Here
This is the India, my dear.
Here
You
it
don't
is.
give the example of foreign countries. You can't you
let me
tell about the
take
current scenario of India.
Here
You
it
take
is
the
not
example of
written
foreign
that
countries.
Indian boys
This is not
are
India. This is not India. Don't go outside. This is India.
Okay, go for your home.
Boys are also earning.
Okay, let me answer.
What happens with the parents?
Okay, sir. I am just
What
going to ask a
happens?
question.
Firstly, you give the my answer.
Okay.
They are throwing their parents out.
Again, I ask the question: if some emergency come and boys ambulance is outside my home, and but boys are pull their parents and move them to outside, and also it's like a make the parcha and all the things are happen. So boys move in whole night. In
You know,
that place, in that
girls
place.
have emotional intelligence also.
Don't,
Sir.
here don't come a emotional, my dear.
Why
They
not?
require a first act, first they got a heart attack and all the things are happening.
Wait, sir. I am giving the answer of the question.
All the parents always want one boy in their family.
Sir, this is the mindset of a patriarchal
This is the
society.
mentality of the
This is the
society.
patriarchal
This is actually
society.
happening in our
My dear, another I ask you question after a
Sir, let me give you an answer.
firstly you don't give the answer.
Said about physical ability.
Yeah.
Okay. So basically you are comparing a girl and boy here.
I'm not comparing
A family having only daughters do not run their family. They run their family. This is about how a family treated their girl.
Also about
Let me answer one question.
I would like to answer.
I'd like to answer. I'd like to answer. Sir is saying that how girl can serve their family. Sir is saying that girl cannot hold their
Yeah.
father.
Yeah.
Why girl cannot hold? How are you saying
Naturally
girl cannot hold her father, and she also can
Don't say me hypothetical.
One thing